Ethereum value equivalent to 6073 is 23 rands a coin. The present cost range, 66 to 46.68 397. The earlier day close, 68 173. The change was 850 125%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 67 41 rands. Exorbitant cost 77 976, while low cost 67 141. The found the middle value of cost 70 283. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 70 875, change for July 85%. Ethereum estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 70 875 rands. Exorbitant cost 89 61, while low cost 70 75. The found the middle value of cost 79 512. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 83 235, change for August 14 2%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at 83 235 rands. Excessive cost 95 356, while low cost 80 80. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 87 647. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 89 18's change for September 7 1%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 89 118 rands. Excessive cost 97,002, while low cost 84 310. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 92 72. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 90 656, change for October 17%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 90 656 rands. Exorbitant cost 91 25, while low cost 79 203. The found the middle value of cost 86 537. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 85 164, change for November 6 1%. Ethereum gauge for December 2024. To start with cost at 85 164 rands. Exorbitant cost 85 164, while low cost 70 25. The found the middle value of cost 80,054. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 70 661, change for December 8%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else cost at 70 661 rands. Excessive cost 81 586, while low cost 79 012. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 76 602. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 70 249, change for January 18%. Ethereum figure for February 2025. Before all else cost at 70 249 rands. Excessive cost 88 54, while low cost 70 49. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 80,760. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 80 387, change for February 80%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 80 387 rands. Exorbitant cost 93,050, while low cost 80 876. The found the middle value of cost 85 819. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 80 69 63, change for spring 6%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2025. Before all else cost at 80 69 63 rands. Excessive cost 126 42, while low cost 80 69 63. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 93 424. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 95 927, change for April 3%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at 95 27 rands. Exorbitant cost 190 358, while low cost 95,050. The found the middle value of cost 100 635. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 122.04, change for May 5%. Ethereum figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 122.04 rands. Excessive cost 126.56, while low cost 122.04. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 112.455. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 118.557, change for June 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 118,557 rands. Excessive cost 118,557, while low cost 118,33. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 111,593. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 184,23, change for July 85%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at 184.23 rands. Excessive cost 117.69, while low cost 124.47. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 119,724. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 110.158, change for August 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at 110.158 rands. Excessive cost 130.728, while low cost 110.158. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 121.207. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 127.783, change for September 16%. Ethereum figure for October 2025. Before all else cost at 127.783 rands. Excessive cost 127.783, while low cost 170.1833. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 119.837. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 115.949, change for October 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 115.949 rands. Exorbitant cost 118.317, while low cost 128.37. They found the middle value of cost 111.920. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 110.577, change for November 4.6%. Ethereum gauge for December 2025. In the first place cost at 110.577 rands. Exorbitant cost 130.72.48, while low cost 110.577. They found the middle value of cost 120.668. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 128.269, change for December 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at 120.82.69 rands. Excessive cost 139.43, while low cost 121.99. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 129.808. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 130.321, change for January 16%. Ethereum conjecture for February 2026. Before all else cost at 130.321 rands. Excessive cost 141.674, while low cost 120.138. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 131.85. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 130.2406,